The Nigerian Senate has passed the 2014 Nigerian Insurance Industry Reform Bill. The passage of the bill followed the consideration of a report of the Committee on Banking, Insurance and Other Financial Institutions presented by Committee Chairman Senator Abiru Adetokunbo during Tuesday's plenary. Senator Adetokunbo, while presenting the report, explained that the bill sought to essentially consolidate various existing legislations regulating the conduct of insurance businesses in Nigeria. The lawmaker listed the legislations to include the Insurance Act 2003, the Marine Insurance Act, Motor Vehicles Third-Party Insurance Act, the National Insurance Corporation Act, and the Nigerian Reinsurance Corporation Act.
Worthy to state that after the public hearing, the committee painstakingly analyzed the presentations made at the public hearing by some key stakeholders, and some of the summary will include that on the whole, the inputs made on the proposed bill as recommended by the committee for the approval of the Senate will go a long way in providing a comprehensive legal framework for the regulation and supervision of all manner of insurance businesses in Nigeria in order to ensure that the industry is able to successfully compete on a global level and also improve international competitiveness of Nigeria's insurance industry.
Senators in their contributions raised concerns about the proposed minimum capital requirement of 45 billion naira for reinsurance businesses, suggesting the status quo should be maintained due to the current economic situation.
My amendment is that in view of the fact that subsequent increase in the insurance capital base have been leading to the death of the insurance company in Nigeria, and reflective on the economy, I propose that the existing capital base of Nigeria Insurance Company, which is not even backed up by any law so far, should be retained, rather than going to 45 billion at the time.
International banks are raising their minimum capital to 500 billion. And we know in other jurisdictions, insurance companies actually own banks. So if we don't have fully capitalized insurance companies, then they will not be able to do the business. And talking about reinsurance companies, yes, we may have only one, Nigerian Re and African Re. Inability to have sufficient capital makes them to reinsure their businesses outside of these countries.
Then international banks, 500 billion. And, I know that banking and this insurance are interrelated. In most climes, Mr. Chairman, and my brother, Senator Jimo, knows that much more, that insurance companies ought to even be bigger. They ought to be bigger than even banks. Insurance companies actually even own banks because they reinsure banks. So I think that unless there is we should go on with this.
Ruling on the passage of the bill, Deputy Senate President Senator Jibrin Barau, who presided over the plenary, said this bill would help to revolutionize the insurance sector in Nigeria.
Laws of the Federation of Nigeria, 2004, the National Insurance Corporation of Nigeria Act, Cap 54N, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria, 2004, the Nigerian Reinsurance Corporation Act, Cap N131, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004, to provide for a comprehensive legal and regulatory framework for insurance business in Nigeria and for related matters 2024, third reading taken and passed. Will really help in reshaping our economy for the better. All over, whatever that has to do with any economy is dynamic. Life changes at all time. Economies change at all time. It's therefore incumbent on the authorities of every nation to recraft their legislations to go in tandem with contemporary realities.
Hello. Hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified about fresh news updates.